In this video, we will learn how to use type-safe ArrayList. In the previous video, we learned how to use ArrayList in Java. We defined an ArrayList with the new keyword. We added variables of different types to the ArrayList. We printed ArrayList members to the console with a for loop. But ArrayLists are generally not used this way, because you can add different types of variables to ArrayList. This may cause some errors in the programs. You can add variables of certain data type to list using type-safe ArrayList. For example, I am creating an ArrayList with string data type. I can add a variable of integer data type to this ArrayList. The program gives an error. I am adding two different string variables to the ArrayList. You can delete a member from type-safe ArrayList with the remove method. You can sort members using the collections class. Automatic import was done when I added the class. I am sending the list to the sort method. List members are sorted by letters. In this video, we learned how to use type-safe ArrayList. I recommend you to watch other Java tutorials.